and Communications for Feed the Need in Durham. We're here in Pickering today with the CBC Sounds of the Season campaign. It's been a great event. Everyone's having a great time. The need has never been greater in our community. If you're able, please reach out to your local food bank, donate food, donate funds. We've had a 58% increase in visits past year. We can't do this without you. We would love your support, and thanks so much for being here.
Way up north, they're making toys for every little girl and boy who mailed in letters, 'cause they've been better, so much better than the year before. Santa's crossing off every wish, even moms and dads have made the list. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time.
Who went to bed with her cup? He went to the chimney and stuffed the tree up.
Only come this time of year with Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Run, run, Rudolph, all you will be missed when Santa Claus gets his paws on his red sleigh. When it's out, hear the shouts, he'll go flying on his merry way. He's spreading joy all along the ride, all around the world in one night. Can you hear the sleigh bells?
Thank you, Pickering, for coming out. The donations for the food drive for Feed the Need Durham. Thank you so much for your support for 2022 and going forward.
Thank you, and Merry Christmas.